Hail Mary, full of grace, the Lord is with you. Blessed are you among women, and blessed is the fruit of your womb. May dalawang selection ng gospel para sa araw na ito. But both gospels can be summarized by that simple prayer na sigurado ko alam natin by heart. The Hail Mary summarizes who Mama Mary is. She is special because she is chosen by God. She is unique because of her total surrender. She is blessed not only because she is the mother of God, pero dahil she continually chose to be that same caring mother all throughout her life. Today we remember how Mary, our mother, visited the hills of Tepayac to bring the gospel of life, leading her children again and again away from darkness, leading her children to Jesus, her Son. She has always been consistent to her call. At ito ang kanyang brand of holiness. Consistency is the key. Ask Our Lady of Guadalupe to accompany you in your deep desire to be holy for God. G ka ba?